Hi everyone, let's go to one more video on our Diecast channel. I thank you for all comments and likes and sharing. Please don't forget to leave a like and share this video. Today we're going to take a better look at this 1953 Kaiser Manhattan. That's a 1/18 scale made by Highway 61. So let's unbox it and take a better look. One thing that's very particular of Highway 61 cars, the box itself is kind of custom made for the cars, since it has not only the name of the car but a factory logo, just like we have this K that's right here. In the Dodge boxes, for instance, they have that Chrysler symbol, Oldsmobile, and so on. It's just a curiosity. Let's unbox it and take a better look. So once I've unboxed the car, we can now take a better look. This is a very nice 1953 Kaiser Manhattan that's made by Highway 61 in the 1/18 scale. This is a very particular car of 1950s, and just like all Highway 61, it's got a series of movable parts, just like the rear and the front vent windows, all doors, trunk lid, and hood. This is a very nice color. It's a metallic brown. The trim is very well taken care of. This car is very curious because though it looks like a sedan, it's actually a coupe. It's just a two-door car. Let's take a look at the interior. Open the driver's door, we can see the steering wheel, an automatic transmission, carpet and rubber mat. Dashboard is quite simple, but has a very nice and unique design. Steering wheel, as we turn it, turn the wheels, so you can see. Very particular uniqueness of this Kaiser is this heart-shaped windshield, just like the back window. It's very curious. It looks like it's going to be divided in the middle, but it's actually not. The trim here is well taken care of, just like the windshield wipers, hood ornament. It also resembles some sort of airplane or rocket. The badge here sort of resembles the one in the Cadillac, but instead of a Cadillac symbol, we get a K here that stands for Kaiser. Let's open the hood. Straight six engine. Very nice looking engine. You can see all cables, hoses, battery, and all details. Acoustic mat, hinges, very well taken care of. It's a very nice looking car. Very good looking headlights. Grill is actually an opening and a bumper reinforcement. This arc here kind of plays the role of a grill. Blinkers are integrated to this very thick trim that's actually the upper part of a grill. Wire wheels with a fast hub mock Kaiser Manhattan logo. Very nice metallic color, and a rear side mirror with an integrated spotlight. It's very curious. The antenna is adjustable. It's a little hard here. It won't move, but it's actually movable. You can open a glove compartment. Front seat is both foldable and adjustable. It's a bench seat. And another look at the dashboard. Headliner, sun visors. It's got very charming lines, really. Taillights and a trunk. You can see a spare tire compartment here with this lid, trunk lid, with all reinforcements and hinges are very well made. And all the inside coating that's sort of a matte, synthetic matte of the time. Gas cap. And last but not least, the bottom, straight six engine, working suspension, both in the front and in the rear, turnable drive shaft, spare tire compartment, single exhaust, brake lines, and all details car chassis demands. So that's going to be it for now. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to leave your like, comments below, subscribe my channel, and share this video. Thank you. See you in the next video.